Hello guys, it's me, your girl Exclusive Beauty. If today's your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you will be notified. I just want to give you a recipe how I use my microwave to make pandenya and ogbolo. Because I'm in the shop, there is no gas, so I use microwave to make pandenya anytime I want to eat pandenya. So stay tuned and keep watching how I use my microwave to make pandenya. And please don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Comment, like, share. One more thing, I always say, these are all virgin normal hair, just like the one I have on my hair. So don't forget. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and keep watching. Bye bye. Okay guys, what you just need is just a plastic and put your water inside the plastic. So put it in the microwave for like 10 to 12 minutes, depends on how your microwave is hot. So after that, take out from the water and start making the pandenya. Then after turning it for the first time, put a little bit of water into the pandenya, then put it inside the microwave for like 3 minutes, then bring it out. Your pandenya is done. So keep watching. Bye bye.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous. I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah.
So guys, I'm done with the food, so I want to eat now. Come and join me. All right, keep watching when I'm eating. It's so delicious. Yum.